Stop scrolling because you're about to see the fluffiest melt to match donut you can make right in your kitchen without any tools. It's not every time you be making normal round donuts every time. Try something new. Switch it up, baby. Dearest viewer, welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. If it's your first time coming across my channel, you're very welcome to Bake with Exotic Creamery. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell because I post very amazing recipe on this channel, well explained and detailed. So turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these recipes. So this recipe is well detailed and the measurement is being displayed on the screen. So do well to jot it down so that you can make your own. So now we're going to sieve 2 cups of flour and we're going to add in our sugar, our yeast and make flavor. Now, emphasis on the yeast. Please always be sure of your yeast whenever you're adding directly to the flour. That particular thing can fall your hand. All your work will just be in vain. So if you're not very sure of your yeast, how active it is, please prove it. Prove your yeast very well. I believe we all know how to prove yeast, right? So if you don't know how to prove your yeast, you can check out one of my short videos on this channel. I did a short video on how you can prove your yeast. So you can go and watch it and see how to prove your yeast. And be very sure that your yeast is very okay before you start adding it into your flour. If not, you have just wasted your time because that dough will not rise. It will turn to buns, no more donuts. So you have to be very careful when you're working with yeast. Be very careful. I'm talking from experience, so don't go and let this bad thing to happen to you. So I have heard the bad thing. I don't want it to happen to you. That's why I'm telling you now. Be very sure of your yeast whenever you're making donut and puff. Kneading donut is not for the weak. See, any day you want to do exercise, like you did not go to the gym that day or did not do any good exercise, and you want to exercise, go and knead donuts. Like you want to get that standard fluffy donut, bakery standard, go and knead donut. Before you know it, fam, you've done exercise for the day because there is no exercise that is bigger than this one. You are going to need this thing till it becomes elastic. Like you can do the window pan test, like drag your dough and it will not tear. Do you know the level of patience, the level of kneading that will go into this? It's not to scare you, it's just to inform you. It's very sweet. As you're doing it, you're gisting your this particular. But if you have a mixer, a strong mixer can do it for you perfectly. Dearest viewer, I want to know where you're watching from. Please drop in the comment section where are you watching from. I'd like to interact with you. I'd like to know you more. Please drop it in the comment section. Now you're going to roll your dough into this shape. Then you're going to cut it bit by bit. It will help us to achieve our twist. Like I said earlier, this is a twist donut. So you're going to relax and watch how I achieve the twist. It's not actually hard. It's not even hard at all. So you can do it. So it's detailed. You're going to see how I'm able to achieve the twist on the donut. Our donut is ready. You're going to let it rise. Then we're going to proceed to frying our donut. First of all, you're going to check the temperature of your oil. I believe you know how to do that. Yeah. So let's fry our twist donut. Can you see that twist? It's giving. And our donut is ready. Thank you for watching up to this point. Please like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. And I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye bye.